it is said here, Prokta Anyenaiva Sugyanaya Preshtha. Anya means Acharyena, by some Acharya. I already told the definition of Acharya. This also will be asked in the question, test. Define what is the definition of Acharya. What is the test? I told you, surprise. So it is said here, this. so अतः एव या यमागम प्रसूता मति. देखो क्या बढ़िया है. In the next line, those who have Shankar Bhash, please see second line. अतः एव या इयम आगम प्रसूता मति अन्येनैव. अन्य means आचार्येण. And which acharya will tell that? Whose mind, whose intellect is dipped in the scriptural praman. Praman is the shastra. Agam abhigyen acharyena. See the point here. Agam means thoroughly well versed in what the scripture is talking about. Okay. Tarkikat. Tarkikat prokta. Sati subvigyaya. And you know what address he used for Nachiketas? Preshth. Preshth means dearest. क्या बात है. Very good. Thank you so much. क्या compliment? Oh, dearest, not dear. Dearest. He was worthy of this. Don't think we will get like, we are not dearest. What we are? Nearest. No. Then clearest. So, oh, Preshta. That means he must have given a lot of joy. That means he must have been humbled by his humility, by his love, by his surrender, by his devotion. This is what is the strength of the disciple. But the biggest strength of disciple is not his knowledge, his humility and obedience. These two are the soul of a disciple. If these two are there, everything else will come up. Obedience and humility. Teacher says something, he does something. Humility is not there, arrogance is there. There is no joy in it. Angry disciple is there, arguing disciple is there, arrogant is there. All these don't have too much of closeness, never comes with the teacher then. So, hey Preshtha, yam tvam apaha, he is saying here, yam. Yam is for that buddhi. Buddhi fir, which buddhi? Knowledge of the self. Tvam apaha, you have already attained that. Where have I attained that? You are about to attain it. I mean to say, when the student even gets in admission in the medical college, people start talking him doctor. Yes, he does not know how to handle a stethoscope also. Bole, a doctor hai iska. He has entered engineering college and he is called, engineer sahab, engineers. You are about to get it now. You are about to get it. Well, apa means you are about to get it. So, yam tvam apaha satya dhritihi. Satya dhriti. Madvara pradane nahapa. Because I have already given you the boon. And who are you? Satya dhriti. SD. What? SD card? No. SD card nahi. Satya dhriti. Satya dhriti means the name of Nachiketa. A boy of firm resolve. You knew how he was non-wavering. From which mantra to which mantra temptation was given. 20 was the question. 21st to 25th. 21st, 1.1.21 to 1.1.25. Lot of temptation. He was firm. He said, nothing doing. I want that only. Satya dhritir batasi. But is a, what is it called? Expletive. Oh, wow, like that. But, oh, like that. You are already so firm. And then, what a beautiful compliment. I don't think so any teacher can give such a compliment, because disciples like this are very rare. Disciples like this are rarest. He says, Twadring no bhuya nachiketa prishta. O Nachiketa, may students like you come to me. वाह, देखा हमने. Nachiketa is vocative case here. Hey Nachiketa, to me, either I should have a son like you or a disciple like you. Because you are just unparalleled. You are just wonderful. Why? Because you have sadhan chatushte. Now don't ask what is sadhan chatushte. I had told one day what is sadhan chatushte. First was, not all are saying, Vivek. Second was Vairagya. Third was Shatk Sampatti. Shatk Sampatti has 6 things. I'm not asking. And last was Mumukshatva. Oh, I remember that. 4 D's you had mentioned. Yes. Well, right. So he is very well equipped, well prepared. He is a prepared student. That means what teacher does, you know what teacher does? Teachers, what is the role of teacher? He puts a thought in the mind. If the vessel is not okay, the thoughts is spilled out. Teacher has put a thought. A vessel was leaky. It was leaking. That knowledge has gone. So next day he asked, well, you know that? Well, you did not teach. He forgot. Or he slept. So he is not receiving it. His vessel is not okay. So therefore, next time when the teacher teaches, you know what he thinks? Anyway, he'll forget it. This person is going to forget it. You know, those who are singers or musicians or dancers or whatever, or speakers, you know, if they sing well, the credit goes to the audience also. Because if audience itself is not responding, some audience don't respond. You do nice dance and nice sing, why say like a buffalo there? You have started one rag. Audience are looking here and there. They're asking me how long this continue. Just start. I think he's continuing. Why doesn't he say the next word? Panagat. Singers are great singers. In one rag there are semi-rag, semi-rag. This word is there. Panagat chali jayi ho re. This word he can sing in 1 hour. He can go on. That is his tapasya. Panagat chali jayi ho re. Panagat, 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 Panagat. This person, he asks other person, listen, why is he not singing further? I think he didn't bring the copy or he forgot the copy. He doesn't know, because he has no idea of rag, etc. He has only rag wish in the mind, but he has no idea of any rag. This singer notices it, so his song is affected after that. You got my point? What I'm saying? He's affected. He loses that inspiration. His spirit is gone. मजा नहीं आता फिर उसको. He also tries to wind it up faster. He tries to fold the whole thing. मजा नहीं आया. Similarly, the dancer, any speaker is there. When the teacher says and the student doesn't respond, nice point is said, and the student is just sitting. What happened? Sleep is gone. And then when sleep comes, but how long you can hold this? The intensity of the teacher goes away after that. You are not like that. You are all very good. I am not saying. But there are one, two. A teacher is bringing out a thought. Student should hold it very fast. And not hold, retain it, receive, retain, reproduce. 3R. He has reproduced. Moment is asked. He is not looking here and there. Immediately it came back. This is called brilliancy of a person. A spontaneous, effortless response of a difficult solution, a difficult problem in a minimum time. He responded very well. Then teacher fellow. Then he is saying, let there be people who ask questions like you, Nachiketa. I hope this point is clear. Now, he is again praising him. Let us read the 10th verse. Janamyahagam shevadhiriratyanit. I will take one word. Janamyahagam shevadhihi ityanityam nayadhruvaihi prapyate hi dhruvam tat tato maya najiketaschitognihi anityaihi dravyaihi praptavanasminityam. Now I will take a bigger quarter. You be careful. Janamyahagam shevadhirityanityam nayadhruvaih prapyate hi dhruvam tat. Half fa will go. Fa, half fa. There should be dash of fa. Nayadhruvaih prapyate hi dhruvam tat. Tato maya najiketaschitognihi anityair dravyaihi praptavanasminityam. After dravyaihi, I didn't say half because I broke it already. But if you are continuously speaking, supposing I had not broken it, then how will I say? Tato maya nachiketaschitogni nityair davyaih praptavanasminityam. Okay, moment you give a pause for pronunciation, then that rule will not be applicable. But if you are continuity, then it will be applicable. Now, Yamadharmaraj is saying something very beautiful. He said that, what he said, I also knew when I was also a human being, because devatas also are human beings. But they do tapasya, upasana, next birth they get the body of devata. Devata is not Bhagwan. Devata are time bound, very high level of jivas who have a tenure, like the government has tenure. So they have tenure of 5,000 years, 10,000 years, 100,000 years. My God, 100,000, we'll be born hundreds of times, 1,000, 100,000 times. But that devata will be intact. Okay, so they are not Bhagwan. Bhagwan is not born and he doesn't die. like Surya Devata, Agni Devata, Vayu Devata, Prithvi Devata, Yam Devata. So they are Devatas. Oh, Sur also is like that. Yes. Surya Devata. Varuna Devata, Devata of Varun means water. Okay. So they all have fixed tenure. Yes. You mean to say after this is over, another Devata will come. Yes. So Varun is a post actually. Sur is a post. Like president is post, not a name of person. It's a post. So this will be occupied by another Jeev after this is over. Because well, why he has to leave? Because that fruit is because of his actions and upasana. And fruit of action is always finite. Oh, yes. So that Devata is in my body also. Of course. He is very big Devata. He is access everywhere. Everywhere he can go. Of course. The Sur is in my eyes also. Yes. Oh. So if he is upset, he can do a lot of damage to me. Already he has done some damage. Why? Because you're not able to see properly. Or buddhi also is not okay. Why? Because you never offered jal. Therefore he will do something. Okay. I will offer the jal. Don't worry. So Janami Aham. He said, when I was like you, Nachiketa, who is saying? Yama Dharmaraj is saying, Shevadhi. Shevadhi means karmphal, fruit of action. I knew that all these fruit of action are permanent or temporary? Temporary. Anityahi anityam nahi adroi prapyate. So by these temporary actions, I cannot get a permanent. I will never be Yamraj forever. I told you it's a tenure. I knew this. Oh, you knew this. Yes. That means my joy will not be permanent. So Brahmaji, Surya Devata, they also fall. Various places it is written somewhere that Brahmaji's tenure got over and he became ant. So bad. That tenure got over. His another fruit of action came and he became ant. Got it, no? So I knew this, that fruits of action are very finite. Tato maya nachiketaschtitognihi. Even then, I propitiated the Nachiket ritual, which I told you in the second boon. Even though I knew it that it will not give a permanent fruit, still I persisted. Anityahi dravyahi praptavan. And because of here Nityam means Swargam. Here Nityam word means heaven, not eternal. So I already knew that by permanent action I cannot get a permanent fruit, but I still pursued it. Yamrajji, what you want to say? I want to say that you are better than me. Oh, this is what you want to say? Yes. See what a humility is there in Yamdharmaj. He is saying, because I did not have that much of this passion as you have, and therefore I think you have gone ahead of me. If you see the Anand Giri Bhashya, those who have Maya janata api bhavayasam karm kritam tvam diyamanam api tat phalam na grannasi. Although I knew, still I continued to go there. It is like that. I knew this boy will leave me, still I was after that. This is how they do, foolish girls and boys. I knew this girl will leave me, still they are after that. Still they are after that. Similarly, he is saying, I knew. Ordinary person knows money will not be after death. All the money that I am having in my bank, I won't be able to transfer it in next birth. No such government has not brought any scheme that this birth's money is transferred in next birth bank. Still I am earn. What money will go in the next birth? Why don't you earn that money? That money is of good action. That money is of jap, puja. It will carry forward. But I continued. That means you are better than me. Matta adhik pragyosi. Anand Giri says, those who have bhashya, I don't know if underlined or not. Underline that. So, matta adhik pragyosi. You are bigger, better than me. How honest confession. And not that he said out of sadness, Hare, he is going ahead of me. Santoshat istohi. He was very satisfied. Good. Well done. Congrats. Kudos. Whatever word you can use that. Then somebody asked, what did he leave ultimately? Now 11th verse he is saying, Nachiketa, you know what you left? I will tell you. Kamasyaptim jagatah pratishtham kratoranantyam abhayasya param stomam mahad urugayam pratishtham दृष्ट्वा धृत्या धीरो नचिकेतोऽत्यस्राक्षिः कामस्याप्तिं जगतः प्रतिष्ठाम् क्रतोरनन्त्यम् अभयस्य पारम् स्तोमं महद् उरुगायम् प्रतिष्ठां दृष्ट्वा धृत्या धीरो नचिकेतोऽत्यस्राक्षिः. He said, Nachiketa, you know what you left? You left. What is this verse? Every verse know in one sentence what it says. Glorification or vairagya of Nachiketas. Glorification of dispassion. But why? So that we can have such a vairagya. We can have such a dispassion. But my time watch is saying, over, please. So we'll see this. I thought I'll cover it till 13th verse. But